Hi everyone, Mini here. Welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, I talk about saving money, collecting gold, and preparing for the simple and peaceful retirement. In today's world, ang daming ways para gumastos. New gadgets, online shopping, trendy things, at minsan kahit hindi kailangan, nabibili natin. Pero habang tumatagal, mas nare-realize ko na peaceful pala ang simple living. At habang sinisimplify ko ang lifestyle ko, may isang bagay na unting-unti kong na-appreciate. At iyan po yung gold. Hindi para magmukhang mayaman kaya ako bumibili ng gold. No. At hindi para magyabang syempre, kundi para magkaroon ng maliit na security for the future. Kasi kapag tumatanda na tayo na katulad nito, kailangan mag-double time na tayo. Hindi na yung pa-bagal-bagal ka dyan. Medyo nangangailangan na tayo ng a quiet kind of saving with a slight of shine, di ba? So, ayan guys, dati ang akala ko talaga kapag mas maraming bagay, mas masaya. Pero habang nagkakaedad na talaga, mas na-appreciate natin ang simple things. Simple living doesn't mean boring life. It means intentional life. Mas iniisip mo na ngayon kung saan talaga dapat napupunta ang pera mo. Instead of buying many unnecessary things, mas gusto mo na ngayon na may value kahit na maliit lang. At doon ko mas naiintindihan kung bakit mas maraming simpleng tao still choose gold. Hindi dahil mayaman sila, kundi dahil practical lang silang mag-isip. Yung mga may practical mindset guys, sila po yung mga tao na they think about the future. Practical people don't only think about today's happiness. They also think about emergencies, retirement, and stability. Lagi nilang tinatanong ang kanilang sarili, will this help me in the future? Or temporary happiness lang? They value needs more than wants. Hindi ibig sabihin hindi sila bumibili ng gusto nila, pero marunong silang mag-prioritize. Inuuna nila syempre yung mga bayarin na yan, bills, savings, family needs. Iyan yung unang-una nilang pinagkakagastusan. At saka lang ang luho kung may extra. Baka practical mindset person ka din kasi hindi ka rin madaling ma-pressure sa latest gadgets, branded things, social media flexing, at saka yung lifestyle competition. Pag hindi ka ganyan, malamang ikaw ay napaka-calm at marunong mag-handle ng mga hindi mo kailangan sabayan sa buhay. At higit sa lahat ang mga practical na tao, they protect their peace. Hindi sila laging people pleaser. They learn when to say, hindi muna, ito lang kasi kaya ko, kailangan ko ring mag-save. Because practical people understand that you cannot help others if you destroy yourself financially. For me, gold became a different kind of savings. Kahit minsan kapag cash lang, parang ang bilis mawala. May sale, may cravings, may deserve ko to. At bago mong mapansin, naubos na, nawala na. Pero kapag ginawa mong gold ang part ng savings mo, mas nagiging intentional ka, mas nagiging careful ka, at mas nagiging smart ka. Hindi mo siya basta-basta ginagalaw. At habang hawak mo siya, parang may reminder ka na, pinaghirapan ko ito ay para sa aking retirement. Kung beginner ka, ito ang ilang simple tips na pwede kong ma-share sa'yo. Number 1, never pressure yourself. Kapag nakita mo ang ilang mga friends mo or nakapanood ka ng mga collectors online, kailangan mo ba siyang sabayan? Siyempre wag. Your journey is your own journey. So number 2, always prioritize your needs first. Hindi mo kailangang ipagwalang bahala ang mga bills ang mga savings mo kahit paano sa emergency fund mo, huwag mo yung kakalimutan. Kung may extra ka lang, dun ka bumili. Because gold should give you peace and not stress. At kung bibili ka na ng gold, choose simple designs. Personally, mas gusto ko yung classic at simple lamang, yung madaling gamitin at hindi mabilis mawala sa style. At practical din minsan ang simpleng pieces lang, especially if long-term ang mindset mo. I think one reason why I enjoy collecting gold slowly is because it matches the kind of life I want. Simple, peaceful, and intentional. Hindi perfect ang buhay abroad. Hindi rin madali ang kumita dito. May mga work lang talagang available para sa mga tao dito. Pero guys, sakripisyo po talaga at maraming mga pagsisikap bago mo marating kung ano man meron ka ngayon. Kaya habang nagtatrabaho tayo, gusto rin naman natin maramdaman na may maliit tayong preparation for the future. At kahit simple lang ang buhay, okay lang magkaroon ng konting shine. Not to impress others, but to remind yourself that your hard work also deserves value. Hindi natin minsan napapansin na yung maliliit na consistent habits, yun pala yung unting-unting bumabago ng future natin. At the end of the day, simple living is not about pagtitipid. It's not about pagtitiis o sobrang kinawawa mo na yung sarili mo. No, it's about choosing what truly matters. And for me, gold became part of that journey. A quiet reminder that even simple people can prepare slowly for the future. Little by little, piece by piece, without pressure and without showing off. Just simple living with a slight shine of gold. And if you enjoy simple living, peaceful saving, and practical life topics like this, please subscribe na po kayo. At pakiclick nyo na rin po ang notification bell na yan para naman po guys, magkita-kita pa rin tayo sa mga susunod ko pang mga videos. Thanks for watching everyone and God bless. See you on my next vlog.